Hey, hello everyone. Hello. We are here. I think my voice would be a little bit weird today. It's like I was just testing out if my mic is working fine or not. I think it's good now, and we'll reduce the voice a bit. So, how are you guys? Who is here? Hind, hello. After a long time, guys. I'm really sorry for missing out the streak. But I thought 65 days in a row. I think that was the streak we made, and I'm very proud of it. And yeah, I took a small break because there was like a ton of things which were happening. I couldn't even focus on post handle. There is some big news about post handle as well, about Mimathon, and then there is this new thing which just recently released. And this video, I'm not going to work on any of my project like post handle or anything. I'm just going to talk about Deepseek V3, which has just launched. My mind is blown away with the examples which I'm watching out. So I think it's time we should move out of Claude 3.7 dream world, and now it will be all Deepseek, the open source model. It's crushing. Happy Life, yo, members are here. Thank you for joining Happy Life. And I saw your meteoric growth on Twitter. Congratulations on that. I saw how crazy that post got viral, and we got a lot of new Discord users because of that post. So thank you so much, Happy Life. Shivanshu, hello. Everyone is here. Is the voice and all good today? Long time no see, Harshit. We are back, bro. You in space? I'm space. Is the voice that bad? My dudes, you vibin. What? What's happening? Is my voice sounds okay? Just let me know, because I did some changes on my audio. I don't know. NASA sent you on ISS after Sunita and all got back to Earth. What's happening? What joke am I missing here? Guys, do like the stream. I would really appreciate it. Okay. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. It was my water fast, and I just came from a very good outside cricket match. I played it like after a year almost. It's good. Okay, cool. Perfect. I just needed that confirmation. Thank you for that, Shu. Okay, so guys, today is a big news, big day. We will be testing Deepseek V3. So it's out in the world of here is the post. Let's run the timer for next 40-55 minutes. We will do it for an hour, and we will just be building some stuff with Deepseek V3, not related to any of my project. We just want to check how good it is. I can see this is a bit crazy right now. Snap, hi bro. Hi Snap, welcome to the stream. Hind, your wallpaper. Oh, you guys are, oh, okay. okay, got it. It changes dynamically. I completely missed it. Yeah, Twitter pushed out my content. I'm happy. Gained 200k impressions in 4 days and 900 followers. Crazy growth, Happy Life. Crazy growth. I'm so happy for you, man. Like, I saw that post blowing up and I was so happy. Congrats. You deserve it, man. All your hard work, the time lapses you're building, that's really inspiring. Mac wallpaper, love it. Thank you guys. How is everybody doing? It's been 3-4 days now, right? You look like Walter White. Yeah, I'm on my mustache phase these days. I'll be in this phase for a while. Okay, let's do it. So Deepseek V3, where can we check it? I don't even know where can we check it. I was just checking. People are posting crazy things about it. Let's do this. It's obviously not here. Let's see. Even okay, I will just do the thing which people do. Explore it on here. Deepseek V3, because I believe many people are posting about this crazy model right now. Yeah, Deepseek, even official Deepseek has posted. So let's first read what they are telling, like the core team is telling, what's new here. Deepseek V3 0324 is out now. Major boost in reasoning performance, which we really need as a coding projects. We need a great reasoning model. A stronger front-end development skill, good. Then we can expect good UI designs, animations, and all. Smarter tool use capabilities. So okay, so agentic models, if you integrate any agentic workflow or framework, that it will work much better. For non-complex reasoning tasks, we recommend using V3. Just turn off DeepThink. API usage remains unchanged. Models are now released under the MIT license, just like Deepseek R1. That's the best part about Deepseek. They are just releasing everything out there in the open. Stronger front-end development skill. They are going for Claude now. Yeah, I don't know where, but someone has posted crazy results. Like he did a complete breakdown of Claude 3.7 versus Deepseek, and Deepseek was doing all the things in one shot, versus Claude needed like multiple conversations. So where can we check it out? Is this, because this is R1 model, and how can we check if this is Deepseek R1 or not? Or maybe we can do one thing. I have a VS Code, I have a Cline integration on it, and in Cline we have this API, and someone mentioned that Cline has now the Deepseek enable the APIs. Where is it? Anthropic? No, we need here Deepseek. Yes, Deepseek Reasoner, Deepseek Chat, Deepseek Reasoner. Is this the one? Deepseek model are you? Let's see. What's happening? Snap, very cool, happy life. Yeah, I have missed a few streams. My schedule was different. Calling Larry, I don't think you have missed much because I was off for a while. I was off since Wednesday or Thursday. So I didn't do on Friday, Saturday, and on Monday. Monday I got sick. Like I got a little bit of fever. So I just took complete rest. And today I'm back. And we will do it this week. And most probably this could be my last week actively working on things on this stream, because next week I have some plans. Atharv, hey there, long time no see. Thank you, Atharv. Thank you for joining today. How are you doing, man? Deepseek V3 launched? Wow, yes, Deepseek V3 is out there. But what is happening to this thing? It's thinking for a long time, and I'm Claude, but I have already selected Deepseek here. What's happening with Cline? Bro, Cline. Pick a lane. Atharv, nice look. Thank you, Atharv. Do you mean my setup or do you mean me? Which look do you like? I think you can get it in OpenRouter. Yeah, we'll try with OpenRouter next. How to try Deepseek V3. That's what we are figuring out. That's what this stream is about. We will be figuring out how we can run Deepseek V3 and testing its capabilities compared to Claude. So you guys help me. Like, what do you want to build? I'm thinking of like vibe coding a small game and see how good they are. We'll not be spending much time like figuring things out. We'll just tell AI to do those things for us. Love the energy today. Thank you. I think the whole fever thing and the rest gave me a boost, and that's the energy. Yeah, Shivanshu was telling me last week you were like very low on energy. You should up your energy. Calling Larry. Yeah, OpenRouter has V3. Cool. We are just going to OpenRouter then. I was reloading the YouTube like a madman yesterday. I didn't see your Discord announcement. Oh man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I should put it as an announcement on the announcement channel. But yeah, we are back. We are back here. Any queries, any question, what's new? I'm here to answer everything. You're looking like Benson Boone. Who is Benson Boone? Who is Benson Boone? What? Should I take it as a compliment? I like this mustache. I like this guy. Obviously, your look. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, so let's see OpenRouter. Larry is saying we should check out on OpenRouter. Deepseek V3. Yes, it's here. And let's chat with it. The thing is, okay, which model are you and how many R's are in strawberry? Okay, we have to log in. My bad. A singer. Okay. Hello, sir. Hello, Israr. Long time no see. I think he wants you to undo one more button. Grow your hairs. I'm old. I'm losing my hairs, guys. Very soon, I'll be proper Walter White, as someone mentioned in the chat. आज क्या बना रहे हो? Today we are just exploring Deepseek V3. Who asked this? Daksh, we are exploring Deepseek V3, the recent new latest model from Deepseek team, and people are saying it's the craziest model out there, better than Claude 3.7, and that's the myth we are going to either bust, or our myth of 3.7 is the best is going to be busted. So let's see what happens. Which model are you and which? Okay, so it didn't answer this. Let's try again. Why so much padding, guys? At the top in TO, you can add multiple models, see output from all. Ah, okay, interesting. So I haven't used this open router a lot. I was checking, received no context. Yeah, maybe this is the reason I didn't check it. Last time also I was facing some issues like this. Which model? I am Deepseek V3 and AI language, and let's count strawberry, RRR. Let's see, can we use Deepseek V3 in Cline? Because someone mentioned they built it on, like they were doing something on Cline. Guide on how to use Deepseek model with Cline. I've used Deepseek V3 for dev work using Cline and it's been great so far. For those who don't know how they can set it up with Cline, I created a guide here. Hey mate, I loved your video. Okay, let's see what this video is. So first of all, let's like this already. You know, this is my philosophy of watching YouTube videos. Whatever I'm looking for, I just like it initially, because once I'm done, maybe I'll forget it. So I like it. But in case I do not like the content, I do not get what I was looking for, then I dislike it. So yeah, I'm a you know, feedback provider always. But my initial feedback is always positive. You will just get a like from me. This guy is telling us something, but please tell us how to integrate Cline. I already have an API key. Yes. Then what? Okay. Okay. So we have to use OpenAI compatible and give this and Deepseek. Okay. And maybe in the model ID also we have to change something. Okay. So this is what we have to do, guys, which is pretty simple. First, let's look at the chat. What's happening? Snapa, no, okay, calling. I think it's a zip. Imagine Dev posting reel with jawline and mewing. my jawline is getting famous, guys. Damn, fresh look. Thank you. Yeah, I got into this phase of my life where I'll be having mustache now. Every man goes through this cycle. Calling Harry, hey, Israr, yeah man, not been so good. What happened, Israr? Israr, I want to just mention one thing. You know, whenever I scroll Instagram reels, I saw some of your reels which you have liked, and I get you, like, your taste is really good, man. I like the reels which you like. So I generally also like those. So I think there is something, you know, common kind of themes which we like. But yeah, I really like the reels which you have already liked. So I see your comment and your like that heart that Israr has liked this reel. I was like, there is something common between us. Calling Ray, I always see the poster of the RRR guy. He always shows his chest. What? RRR guy? You mean that this guy? No. You mean this RRR? This is one of my favorite movie, to be honest. I do the same, bro. Copyright. Thank you. Oh, by the way, my channel is monetized. I'm making like 20-30 rupees every day from ads. That's crazy for me from YouTube. And there is a new video coming out, and this time, so last few videos I have not been very, you know, very creative, or not doing the work I was doing earlier. But this time I'm thinking, let's do it a little bit proper. And so next video, fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Because now I am monetized as well, guys. I have to make this as a passive income now with YouTube. Same for me on the like. Correct. So this reminds me of one thing, I was working in one company and there was the CEO, and back then I was a very, not a guy who used to, what you say, trust people initially, because I don't know, brought up in like a middle class family and, growing up in India, this trust you do not build initially. Like your first instinct is not to trust someone, whoever you are meeting. The first instinct is no trust. And then slowly the trust builds. This is my framework was earlier. Then I met this guy. He was very, very extrovert. Used to meet with people and used to bond with them. Like he trusts them initially. And one day we were having this conversation with him, and he told me that I asked him, like, I noticed like you always trust people very easily. So he said, what my framework is? I trust people on the first go. That's because that saves me a lot of my mental energy on like figuring out if he's a trustworthy person or not. My first instinct is trust them. But I also look like if the trust is broken, then I will not trust them. And then I will like either cut my like complete relations or like cut my loss there. But my first instinct is like trusting them. So this is what I have also started following. Whenever I meet someone or like start something new with someone, I just trust them. Like I'm building this muscle now. Like just trust them. Just like things what you are looking at. And once they do not go in that direction which you're hoping for, then maybe you can cut your losses and start doubting. So that has worked really well for me last 2 years. What happened? Mog, please. What is Mog? Shubham, hello. Hello, Shubham. Welcome. My cat died last year. Oh man, I'm very sorry, Isra. Really sorry to know that. This is very sad, man, because I own 2 cats and, just thinking of that. Shit. I'm really sorry, man. I'm really sorry for your loss. Same, even I see your likes on the stuff I usually like. I have told you this earlier. We have a lot of similarities, maybe, or ADHD. Yeah, could be. By the way, do you want to talk about your cat? How old was your cat? Or if you don't want to, it's okay as well, man. But yeah, this to be honest, like this hurts to know someone lost a pet, specifically like a cat. That hurts. Because I have a very soft corner for cats. Shubham, bro, you changed. Physically, yes, I have a mustache. Internally, I'm the same. Mic changed. No, mic is same. I just did some audio settings. Harshit is here in the chat. Harshit, I met Harshit last Sunday, and he told me, he said like, Bhaiya, you know why your views are not coming? Why your lives have like low watch rates these days? Because your sound is not that good. I said, what happened? He said, earlier I used to put your streams and I used to sleep because it sounded so good. But these days it stings on my ear. And I took that feedback. I thought, okay, I have to listen to Harshit. I have to upgrade my audio. So I did some settings changes today. Not sure if they are helping or not. But yeah, let's go to Cline, guys. So here we are. We have to OpenAI compatible. We have to add the base URL, which is HTTPS. What it is? API deepseek.com. api.deepseek.com/v1. Is it v1? Yes. Then API key. Where do I get my API key? I'll have to go to the DeepSeek dashboard. Platform.deepseek. Okay, it's here. Where is my API key? API key. Cline, create new API key. Cline V3. I'm doing the Cline V3 test. So let's copy this. Enter API key. Copy model ID. So model ID is at DeepSeek coder or something. Okay, there is a lot of chat again. Let's see. Live affected my consistency. I'll come again live for this week, guys. Don't worry. we'll be back to our routine. My momentum has dropped a little bit. I focused on another project. I did not focus on post handle for last 4-5 days. I haven't worked on my iOS apps as well. There's a new project, like not a new project, it's a contract based project which I'm working on, and I was stuck on one issue there for a long time. And as next week I'll be traveling as well, so I wanted to finish up, wrap up most of it, and this is kind of done. I have a meeting like after this stream with the team. Let's see, and if I can get more time, then yeah, I'll focus on my post handle again. And plus I wanted to ask questions. Sure man, ask questions. Now I forgot the question. Classic Shubham. Snap. By the way, what is this screen like Deepseek V3? What is this? Deepseek V3 is the new model, Deepseek. Yes, this is our culture, to not trust people due to our bad history and scarcity. Yeah, I mean, that causes a lot of, mental energy drain initially. If not trusting everyone around, that loses so much energy. I felt it's easier to just trust as a first instinct. Obviously not like over trust, and specifically being aware of our surrounding. I mean, like, when we used to hire engineers, like I was sitting in my interviews and my instinct was, this engineer, like maybe he's faking, maybe he's cheating. And I used to think that way. I used to be very skeptical, like he's doing something wrong. And that was very bad mindset I was in. Like I always thought like someone is doing cheating. Like cheating was like the number one thing. He's cheating. And now I have like completely shifted to the opposite direction. I trust like, yeah, this is an amazing guy. This is doing great. And that opens up a lot of my, question asking and connecting abilities with those people if I'm interviewing. And I can then ask more like good questions. We can connect as like humans instead of just interviewer and an interviewee. So I felt like that energy change gave me some positive effects. Hello, how long has it looked to build your meme app? Adam, it took me, I think 40 days. All the streams are out here. We already built the whole thing in these streams only. Guys, if anybody who has not participated in Mimathon, oh yeah, big news. So guys, Mimathon is not ending on 31st because I haven't done any marketing except for making that YouTube video and calling it out in these live streams. I want to make a proper plan of its marketing, which is being done this week. And if I do that, at least I need like 10 days of marketing so that there are enough users who make these content in that. There have been only 30 submissions so far, which is very less. And because obviously I haven't talked about it anywhere. So what I'm thinking is I will extend the timeline for 31st of April. So we have almost a whole month of April. We will run Mimathon and we will be adding more features onto post handle, and we will make it more lucrative. By lucrative, like more content you can publish and more things you can add on using the dashboard. So that's a one update which I want to share. You don't like dogs that much? Guys, I am an animal lover. I like dogs. I like cats. I always, when I was a kid, I used to bring these street dogs in my home. My mom used to just throw them out. And sometimes I used to like have big arguments in the family. And then we had like 3 dogs. All of them died. And it was very sad. And then I learned, like after all these cycles of having dogs, that, maintaining a dog is a big task. It's a very big task compared to having a cat as a pet. It's super easy. Cats are like, they mind their own business. They do their own, number 1 and number 2. They just do it by themselves. You do not have to worry about them. They come for you for love. Sometimes you can go to them for their love. You just meet them for a few minutes. Then you just both go on their own path. Now I am like, as I grow up, I found out this kind of relationship works for me, where we just mind our business after a while compared to dogs. Dogs are lovely, but it's a big responsibility, a big responsibility. So yeah, whenever I go to the beach, there are 3 dogs. Whenever I used to go to beach in Goa, there were like 3 dogs. They always used to come to me, sit with me, and they were like I used to call them my guard dogs in the beach, and they never let anyone else, like any other dog, roam around me. So yeah, I love animals. What else is happening? Like dogs. No, your old sound way better. Earlier the sound was crisp. Old sound I can't differentiate. Was it because of the music? Old sound. Wait, let me show you what was the old sound. We can just do it now. Okay, so this is the old sound. Do you like this one? Because these are the settings which I was using in my previous stream. The another model which I added, which was for today. Let me know if this is good. In earlier, okay, old sound, happy life. I can't call myself a content creator, but nowadays I feel some pressure to post every day and not break my streak of posting. But yeah, man, I mean, Twitter is a game, or any other like social media is a game of consistency. The longer you play that game, the bigger your account gets. So yeah, I mean, you're doing great, happy life. You're posting very engaging content which inspires people, like posting coding and doing all your work for like 10-12 hours. Crazy. That's super awesome. Like, keep doing it. Yeah, he would have been 10-year-old this year. I don't think I'll ever have a pet again. This is hurt so much. I can completely understand that feeling, man. You know, this thought that one day my cat will die, it's in itself is such a painful thing. So I just do not think about that most of the time. But I'm really sorry to hear that. Also, I'd like to gain knowledge and experience like you, but we have more than 10 years age gap. How do I overcome this? The only way to overcome this is by age. So yeah, I mean, you will do so many new things, man. Your experience will be completely different than mine. So we are in this AI era, in this age. So, I mean, you have more chances to gain much more knowledge than me. Guys, I'm bullish on this AI so much these days. I'm talking to ChatGPT so much on a lot of things, not just my work, and I'm like blown away with the kind of replies it gives. It's like you have a super smart friend on each and every domain. You can just learn. I just from learning from what kind of, you know what, I'll tell you a true story which happened yesterday. I was having a mild fever and I was feeling warm, like my body was warm, but that there was no temperature. My heart rate was around 90. So I just asked ChatGPT 4.5. I said, hey, these are my symptoms. And I told him what I did yesterday on Sunday. And he told me, you know what, the best remedy right now, take one electrolyte. These are clear signs of either you are dehydrated or there is a minor infection in your body. And do not do anything. It was at 2 p.m. He said, just lie down in your bed and just be there till 5:30. He gave me the timing. Till 5:30, just lie there and drink an ORS and don't watch your mobile screen. I did the same thing, and by 6:30 I was feeling okay. And today I was like, in the morning I was completely fine. So if you give a good context of what's happening around your life and good more data, it replies so crazy. So yeah, this is what I'm learning these days. So coming back to your question, and with AI you can do crazy things, and you will do crazy things if the amount of time you are spending. The only thing which will stop us now is which will differentiate between people who will make it or who might not, is only how much time you spend in front of your computer. Because there is a computer, like, or communicating or talking or building things is just, it doesn't need you to be super high IQ person. It doesn't need you to be super niche knowledgeable person or going into. You can have all those things with AI, and you just have to be the person who is always there, present in front of your computer and doing things. That's the only thing which will make or break. I was reading one post today on Twitter. Someone posted it. I think he's a member of YC. He's a manager in there. He said, now the time for autistics are gone. Now it's the time for ADHDs. So by that he mean, like, earlier the crazy developers were kind of like on the autistic spectrum very high, because they were like crazy logical reasoning people. And now it's time when the ADHD people will shine, because now you can do multiple things at the same time, and they're like, ADHD people thrive in these kind of domains. There is a lot of chat, guys. Let me catch up. Let me take a breathe. Okay. Israr, what's your IG on LinkedIn? Also, I'd like to gain. This is done. I'm not able to make meme for 2 days now. It always gets stuck. Tried with different account as well. Whoa, guys. This is bad. Let's see what's happening. Start now. Hind, you should have pinged me on Discord, man. This is bad. What's happening? Let's see. Okay, let's add. I have added some new things, which is here. Let's make it this much. Add text layer. Yeah, this black screen thing, this I also noticed. We'll look into this later. When I hear about a bug in post handle. Let's see. So the reel will be like this. I'm already laughing. So this dialogue is coming. This is a new thing which I added because there was some issues happening on the render and I wanted to debug it. So I thought it's better like I post a little bit of this confirmation box. So if someone gave me a bug report, I can just ask them, hey, can you post the link of this? Which I can technically get by myself, but this was the easiest solution. So please don't mind it. Okay, while this is brewing up, we will go into more. Zuma Cat, damn, bhaiya, new look. I'm back. Long time, man. It's been so long. New look, yes. I'm, as I was saying, the new face, new me. Happy Life, is it me or I don't see Mimathon leaderboard in the landing page? Yes, I have removed it for now. So Happy Life, I just, sorry, not Happy Life, Hind. I've created this meme just now, fresh out of the oven. It's working, it's rendering. Let me know what your issue you're facing. Just ping me on Discord, man. I'll figure it out. What else is happening? Yeah, Happy Life. So Mimathon landing page leaderboard I have removed because it's not working. So I have to like update it. As I was saying, I'm working on some marketing stuff this week. Once that is done, we have more users coming in, more posts coming in. I will update the leaderboard. Currently, I have to do it manually. I'm just pasting all the things on ChatGPT and asking it to make a table and changing like a JSON table. And I'm posting it on my website and just, pushing it out. So it makes it kind of real time. Sure, me too. I was waiting. But this is working. This is working for me. See, it created any specific. So it has created this. One thing I noticed is I have added this background layer which did not work. It worked till here and then it stopped. And I know kind of the reason for this. This is a small bug which we can fix. V3 thing, but let's go quickly and finish up the chat. Israr, what's your IG? Him not able to. Me, is it me? Okay. I was waiting. Happy Shubham. Israr, okay. Good to know. That sound like me and my wife. What? About what? Adam, would you join a project that is also a short form generator editor project? Join a project. I mean, currently I'm not looking to join any project. I had a meeting with someone yesterday and he was offering me like a job position, I think because of my LinkedIn or because of my lives. And that was on the same, like they are building on something on GenAI and they thought I would be a right person, but I had to politely decline that because, I am all in on my projects and I'm currently like not trying to get distracted. This has happened with me in the last 10 years, multiple times. There were opportunities which felt like, am I missing an opportunity, a good opportunity? And these are like lures which are around you and you just lose focus and join them. So this happened with me multiple times. And this time I thought, no matter what kind of job I get, no matter where I get it, I will make sure I am quitting this thing which I'm doing because I know this is not going anywhere. I know like, okay, I'm quitting it. It's not like, okay, let's do this as well, and let's not miss any opportunity. So I'm okay to miss a lot of opportunities at this point. Lol, just kidding, I'm not married. I don't use Insta or LinkedIn. I'm actually serious about this. I just use X. Perfect. X is the best platform. If you gain, user base on X, you are already ahead of all the YouTube and Twitter or LinkedIn. No, sorry, LinkedIn and Instagram. X has the value which X provides. I don't think any other platform provides. It's not like monetary value in terms of like the network you build there. Those are like core nerd people and they will help you as much as like no one will help you in that way if your post starts to get viral and you start to gain momentum there. Old is gold, let it be. By the way, I remembered a question which I wanted to. Okay, new one is better. Oh, old sound is good. Okay, so we have a confusion here. Let's run a poll. Start a poll. Which sound is better? Old, new? The one right now. What is happening? Oh man, like this is too, like chat is going crazy. What's happening? Wow, we have 15 people today. That's crazy, guys. Amazing. Mm, okay, maybe I will miss a little bit of chat. Huh? Yeah, AI is a superpower. You just need to know how to use it. Correct. Thanks, Larry. When is the Jarvis coming for my PC? That's what I want to figure out. I installed N10 self-hosted. Wow, N10 is self-hostable? I'll try that. Thanks, Larry. So today I talked to a woman who came to me and asked me about coding and stuff because I made the website of college event, but this made me nervous. So my question is how to talk to women. Let me know. Let me know if you figured that out. Woman. I shared my cat's blood report and asked what can we do, and it said the same thing that the vet told me, that I can't do anything now, just give your cat a comfortable space in his last time. Oh man, this is so sad. This is so I can understand, man. You know, I do these blood test checkup for my cats as well every 6 months. I want to make them live like minimum 15-20 years, but yeah, it's not in our hand. Kashyap, good evening, Sergi. Hey Kashyap, welcome. Your audio breaks for a split second. Is it just me? Can someone confirm? It could be a thing because this happened in previous streams as well, a couple of days back. Front end ready with one functionality, generate shorts. Kashyap, we'll check it out, man. You're working pretty hard on that. MJ, stuck in beginner hell. Help me. Stuck with JS for 3 months. What should I do? Unable to process my thoughts. Do not get stuck in beginner hell, guys. Just start building something with JS. Don't go into tutorial hell. I mean, the beginner hell, if you are saying, it could be a tutorial hell where you're just crazy about learning JS, where you're thinking how to become a JS expert. You never become a JS expert, no matter how much. You know, I have given some crazy interviews. Oh wow, crazy. Someone just renewed my app subscription. I love this part of, you know, this whole journey when you earn money while you are not working. So right now I'm not working on that app and I just get these notifications and they give you this dopamine boost. Okay, you just made $10 without doing anything. Well, you have done your work previously. Sorry guys if I miss a lot of things. I am an ADHD. I have like diagnosed myself by myself. Shubham, I will send again on general chat. Okay, what's vibe coding? Hakeem Shah. Vibe coding, what we do here in these streams. If you see all of my streams, we are just vibe coding. We are just talking to AI, making things. We do not like go deeper into the code base, and that's what vibe. Whatever vibe I have, like whatever feature I want to build, I just talk to the AI and AI build that for me. That's what we call vibe coding. Told you I bring viewers with me. Yeah, Israr, you are a really lucky person, man. You're lucky for me specifically. I have noticed whenever you are on the streams, I have like a lot of viewers. Thanks to you. Happy life. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention this. I got 2 internship opportunities, but I reject them because I am currently learning and building. I don't want to get tied up with their projects. Was I right choice? It depends, Happy life. If you have a goal in mind which you want to finish first, and then you want to move to next thing, that's a perfectly good choice. But if you think you are not ready, I would not think that way. Like if you are thinking, okay, this is not the time for internship because I'm not ready, because you will not be ready ever if you think that way. If you think this was because you are already working on something and you have a goal to reach, then 100% opportunities for now. The opportunities will come later as well. I got these opportunities from X. That's why I'm saying X has a crazy network, and people who spend their time on X get these crazy things happening with them. Bro, you're God. Answer this question. Which question? Okay, Happy life. Just give me some. Bro, you can't diagnose yourself. I did. It was the need of the hour. Okay, guys, let's do a little bit of this, right? The small mistake you made of adding space before question mark in poll is what I do too. That's an ADHD mistake. What? Space on what? Where did I add a space? Before question mark. Okay, so see, I've been diagnosed with external viewers as well. So new, the one right now. So people are saying this is better, 60%, and 10 votes are there, which is my threshold. So I'll end this poll. We'll keep this audio. Thank you for your feedback, guys. Harshit, I'm sorry people like this audio. How to talk to women? Like you used to talk to men. Just be polite. Just be yourself. That's how you talk to women. Okay, so MJ, your message is deleted. I don't know what happened. Too easy. Stop posting links. Nightbot is giving some warnings. You are posting some links. What's happening here? Let's check it out. Where is my restream thing? Okay. So let's go to this Cline thing. Chat model. What is the model name? Deepseek. What it is saying? And done. Okay, so we will use Deepseek chat then here. We'll use Deepseek chat and we'll call it, what we have to do then? Model configuration. Let's not do that. Is it good then? Which model are you? Let's see. But don't talk to women the way you talk to your male friends. What is happening? Why is an AI like? I am Claude, an AI assistant proprietary and not based on any publicly available model like those from DeepSeek. I'm designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest in yours. But I have already selected this. What's happening? Reload window. OpenAI allow. Then this is the model which we have selected. Hey, which model are you? Let's see. Please don't say Claude. Please. I am Claude 3 Opus. I need to remove this key from here. Where is it? Anthropic. Yes, let's remove this key. I'll just use OpenAI compatible plan. Aren't you Deepseek? MJ, I'm not from tech background, just BCom degree. Every time I start coding, I feel like I'm doing nothing and got into YouTube tutorial. I feel like I can't do. Okay. A lot of chat around talking to women. Okay, you guys figure that out. I'm a noob on that field, guys. But this is a very sad stream. Like I'm going to get so many dislikes. The title says we worked on Deepseek V3 and this Cline, it's saying I'm Claude 3 Opus. What's wrong with you? But does this person know that he might not be using a Deepseek version? Maybe he's using another one. And it's saying it's Opus. Thanks to Claude agentic coding ability, I can handle complex software. But bro, I'm asking you to do it with this. Anybody has any experience with this? Hey, which model are you? You don't want any of it. Okay, so now suddenly this chat is converted to relationship advice. Yeah, not my forte, guys. Rename the stream. Is this a stream we are discussing how to talk to women? I mean, I'm not. Maybe giving relationship advice, solving real life problems. I see Deepseek V3 on Hugging Face, but not on Deepseek official site. Yeah, I think they have not released it officially on their web platform yet. People are only using it using either Cline or Hugging Face. So that's a good idea. We can just go to Hugging Face. Deepseek V3. I just want to make something like, I want to check how crazy it is, you know. Input a message, chat Deepseek V3. Hey, which model are you? Everyone using these tactics of first sending a message and then asking to log in. Hey, which model are you? You know, I have written so bad, but it will know. Asking me which model or something related message is a bit unclear. Could you clear? Okay, it doesn't know. Hey, which model are you? I am ChatGPT by OpenAI. What's happening, guys? It's a Deepseek V3, right? What is happening? My brain is frying up. These titles will make his viewers X100. Baljit, bro, any free version API? Free version API? What do you mean by that? Free version API? Free vision API. Oh, okay. You are asking for vision API. No, man, I don't think so. Vision kind of like, you know, whole process is very expensive on the server side. So nobody would give you for free. Maybe they will give you for free tier, like some request will be free. Bro is Love Guru. I'm Love Guru. Okay, I'll take it. Wow, Baljit is very persistent. Baljit, I don't know, man. I don't think so. You will get any free vision API. Someone is scared of his wife here, and I respect that. Not naming anyone. Not really. Zuma's cat. So Sam was right after all. Which Sam are we talking about? Someone is going to get hurt real bad. Russell Peters. But what is happening here? Aren't you Deepseek, bro? I see where you are coming from. Nope, I'm not Deepseek. I'm ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. What the? What? Why Deepseek is saying it's ChatGPT by OpenAI? Is it a thing? I am like, am I crazy? Am I doing something wrong here? This is Deepseek V3, right? And this is the demo which we are doing here. What is happening? Bro, I am 15-year-old. My name is Taran. Hey Taran, welcome to the stream. Sam Altman. Okay. What he was right about. Stream title should be taking help from AI to get girlfriend. Views 10k. I think it's a good experiment I can run. Boys, we got him. Did it really? Bro, Deepseek chalta hi nahi and it always crashes after true prompts. Is it? We caught in 4k. Bro, what will you making today? I was planning to make this Deepseek work, but it is saying it's not Deepseek, it's OpenAI ChatGPT 4. And this is like, so that means maybe. It's all a plan by OpenAI. Hey Taran, welcome. Akshat, can we integrate this Deepseek model in my project free? Yes, you can. It's kind of free at this point. But yeah, I'm thinking maybe this Cline thing is also not answering us properly, but it's using this version only, because there is no other way it's using any other model. You know, I have removed the API key. Oh, it's the API key is back again. Oh shit! How to remove this? Bro, I need to remove this. No, don't use this. Yeah, it's removed now. Open router I'm not using, and OpenAI I'm not using. OpenAI compatible, yes, we are using this, so we will use this. Hey, which model are you? Don't say Claude 3 Opus, just say ChatGPT. I'm okay with that. This is bad, man. This, I'm sorry whoever is watching this stream today, and the whole title thing is gone in the gutters. Maybe I'll change the title. I'll just call it Fun Chat About Women. Now we will console Deepseek. He's too low. We need to make him believe in himself. I need a way to record phone calls. Push to AI to make me a task list of what I said I would do in a call. Hey Larry, so I don't want to endorse this company because they have been so slow on sending me my thing, but maybe this will help you out, because I don't see any other company doing it that well as good they are doing it. So I have ordered this. I think it's been almost a year now, and my order is not yet received. So this thing, you clip it on your neck. Like if I have this, I'll put it on my neck, and this will record everything which I am talking the whole day, and I just have to tap on it. It will start recording, and then in the end of the day, it will just give me the whole day summary of all the things I have talked about, or even people who are talking to me. I can just record with this, and in the app it just gives you the whole day summary and notes. I found it very interesting because the barrier to the friction to record something is very low with this, and it looks cool as well. It's a, I think, $100 device. Oh, now they are asking for $399. I purchased it for $100, $99. Wow, now it's $399. Crazy. But they haven't shipped it. It's been a year now. I'm waiting. So I think the only place we can run it is an OpenAI router. Let's see here. Okay, write me a game in single file using 3JS which has a player in the middle, and it's a 2D game in the style of Stardew Valley. The graphics are pixel style. Let's see how Deepseek V3 does. Here is a simple 2D pixel game in 3JS. Okay, let's see. Okay, bro, what is your income? Do you work anywhere? Currently, I'm not working, Baljit, anywhere. Wanted to ask you how I can build APK out of my Expo project. Like I saw we can build an AAB. Is there any other way? Yes, you can create an APK. I think when you're compiling your app, there is this command. You can pass some arguments to it and ask it to create an APK instead of AAB. AAB is like package bundle or something, and APK is like just Android app. So there is an option there. I think there are also tools which extract APK out of an AAB. So if you have an AAB created, just use that tool to extract an APK. AAB is a much better format because it compresses multiple APKs into one file, so it becomes easier for Play Store to distribute it for multiple platforms. By platform, I mean like for different Android versions, for iPad, iOS and all. Sorry, iPad and not iPad, shit, tablet and Android devices. I haven't worked on Android for a while now. What the fuck? That sounds wrong. Fun talk about how to get women. Bro, I'm making a React Native component library. It's almost 60% complete. Oh wow. Sorry. This more stuff sounded very bad. Oh wow, this is really good. So Baljit, you can join our, you're Baljit, right? Baljit, you can join our Discord and you can post on the showcase channel. There is a very good community. People will really appreciate your project and give you some good feedbacks if you're interested. Snap, no, we will get an APK file. You might be writing the wrong commands. Snap, I think the modern version of and making an Android app, they always make an AAB because it's easier for Play Store to process, and Play Store recommends making an AAB versus APK. So I mean, to make an APK, you have to give us some extra commands. ES build platform Android, is this correct? Yeah, something like that, correct. I mean, everyone have filters. He's not innocent. No one is. Yes, no one is. I'm not innocent, guys. Okay, let's see our game. Our new game. Deepseek has created it, one-shotted it. Let's say game.html. Okay. Download and we'll say game. Okay, so this is our Stardew Valley type of game. I don't know what it is. Okay, so this is what Deepseek has created. I don't know what we have to do in this game, but this is fun. Like, you can just move around places. Okay, let me ask one other thing to Deepseek. Can you add okay, do some changes. 1, make the canvas bigger, almost 4x the current size. Add trees in the canvas in random position and make proper pixel trees which block the user. Let's see. So I like that it's understanding the problem, but let's see how the output is. Bro, call me Taran. Okay, why your name is Baljit Kaur then? These are so different, Baljit versus Taran. But yeah, it's okay, man. Taran, I'll call you Taran. I need a mobile app. I'd love to have. I'm going to post it in Discord if anyone thinks it would be a good project. Cool, post it, Larry. But I even took a build 2 weeks ago using Expo. Bro, do you have kids? Me? No. By the way, I saw your cricket. Oh yeah, I just posted. I just came out of that game. Why the door behind you is slightly open? That's my washroom door. So yeah, maybe I forgot to close it. Thanks for noticing. Well, my hand is recovered. Let's play. Like, cast is gone. Oh, that's good to know, Shubham. ES build P Android. Okay. Well, Taran. अरे वो मम्मी नाम है, अभी खुद का फ़ोन नहीं है, मम्मी का नाम है. ओके तरन, ओके, got it. But really interesting, man. Taran, you are already like at 15, you're watching a stream which is about coding and, building things. So that's a big kudos to you, man. Like, instead of spending time on other things, you thought this is valuable. That's a very good sign already. I'm not saying like watching me is a good sign. I mean like watching the type of content you have interest in. That's a good sign that you are on the pretty productive domain here. Okay, so Deepseek has done one thing. It has added these boxes and these trees, which I don't think it understood trees, pixel trees. But it's blocking me going there. I don't know what these brown shit boxes are. But now people are saying it makes better than. Wait. Oh, not sure what's happening. Then I'm getting APK. Okay, from now on at next week, I'll be back on track. Awesome, Israr. Hope to see you more on the streams, man. More users for me. Mama would be proud. Yeah, Mama would be proud. Taran bro, I was youngest, but now I feel old. There was this kid long back, I think he was 13-year-old, and he was working on like a front-end project in Next.js. That was the craziest thing happened in these streams. So guys, I think we are on time. We did made something with Deepseek V3, which was again one-shotted. I did not ask it to do much, but the comparison thing did not happen. And next time, maybe tomorrow, I'll do more exploration on V3. I'll try to run it on my Cline, so we can make a small game using V3 versus Claude, and then we'll figure out which one works. And also, this will be a good keyword for the streams. Vibe coding a game using Deepseek V3. This is what I'm thinking. Let's do it tomorrow. And if anybody has any interesting game idea, my idea is I like these 2D style games with like what you call them, multiplayer, pork. What is, I forgot the name of it. Multiplayer. MMORPG. Yes, MMORPG. Massively multiplayer online role playing. So I like these kind of games, but I want to make them in like 2D style. So let's see. I've told you 100 times I'm first year students. I'm 18. I'll start charging you each viewer I bring. Sure. I'm ready to pay. Just bring more viewers. I don't do so. Can you chat GPT why you're getting AB and not ABK? See you tomorrow. See ya guys. Zumascat. Okay. Bye. MJ. Bye. MMORPG. Yes, Shubham. Thank you. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today's stream, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow. And thank you so much.